Inflation. What is that? If inflation was 6% per year and you got a 3% salary increase, did your salary really increase? What would you do if you are in a situation where you know that salaries in New York are 56% higher than in El Paso, Texas? Would you sell at the same price in El Paso? How about in different countries? How would you go about making a price increase? This is what we will learn in this session. We will look at examples of what happens if inflation is much higher than the salary increase that you get. We look at the 100 trillion, not million, not billions, trillion dollar bill that was in circulation in Zimbabwe. We will learn what happened to Jenny, a business owner, and Wendy when they had several years of inflation and Jenny was unable to increase prices and therefore unable to increase salary to Wendy, who is her friend. Then we'll look into pricing and the concept of a local, national, or global price list. I'll show you that salaries in New York are 56% higher than in El Paso, Texas. And I will ask you, should we sell at the same price? Well, Walmart sells skincare cream at the same price, despite the fact that people in Hoboken, New Jersey make 4 times more money than in El Paso, Texas. Is that the right thing to do? What do you think? How about the fact that the same insulin produced in Denmark is sold in the Mexican side at a price that is 7 times cheaper than in the American side, into neighboring towns that I have visited? How about a COVID test? I did this test myself in different countries in Europe, America, and Asia, and it was the exact same service. Should I pay $260 in New Jersey or get on a train which costs $7 and do it in New York for free? How about between Switzerland and France? The Big Mac, published by The Economist, is an index that will show you that a Big Mac sells for $1.80 in Russia and $7.29 in Switzerland. Is that the right thing to do? Well, the iPhone actually, both in Russia and Switzerland, sells for about the exact same price. What will you do? LinkedIn sells their premium version at about the same price around the world, except in Brazil and India, where it's sold at a much lower price. Now, when you make a decision about pricing, that has an impact on 100% of your sales. So we will learn the mathematics behind that, and also the concept that you will achieve the same result if you were to increase prices by 4% or fire or lay off 50% of your people. What would you do to get the same amount of money? Would you increase prices by 4% or fire 1/2 of the headcount in your company? I'll ask you about it and you will have a chance to vote and share your opinions. So that is the material that we will learn in this session. I'll see you in class.